Oh, beef rendang.
Rendang, hidangan yang berasal dari Minangkabau, Sumatera Barat ini, selain kaya dengan rasa, kaya pula dari makna dan sejarahnya. Yuk, mari kita ulas sejarah singkat rendang, berikut apa kata mereka. Baik turis asing, ataupun mereka yang menikmati rendang di luar negeri sana. Hayu, kita ulas. Masakan yang pernah meraih peringkat pertama dari CEN Travel 50 Most Delicious Foods. Markimul, mari kita mulai.
This place not only has the best percadel in my opinion, but also the best beef rendang. First bite. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. Wow. The most beautiful rendang ever.
First time trying beef rendang in Indonesia. Do I eat this with a fork or the spoon? I don't even know. And do I put the rice in it or do I mix it in the beef rendang? See how it tastes. First time. Woo, excited. It's sweet. Enak sekali.
Maelena dan Karina juga suka kan, gengs? Tapi kok diaduk di nasi ya? Dikira bubur kali ya? Bisa memicu war netizen lagi tuh, antara rendang diaduk dan gak diaduk. Keberadaan rendang memang gak bisa dipisahkan dari nasi Padang. Ilegal hukumnya kalau restoran Padang gak ada rendang. Nah, awal diciptakannya rendang itu, gengs, karena orang Minang dulu hobinya berpetualang dan berdagang ke pulau-pulau seberang. Bisa sampai ke Kepulauan Malaysia atau Singapura pakai perahu lancang atau kapal layar kayu tradisional. Di perairan, bisa makan waktu berminggu-minggu bahkan bulanan. Mereka perlu bekas yang gak cuma mengenakan, mengenyangkan, tapi juga tahan basi dalam waktu lama. Karena ada masalah, timbullah solusi. Mulailah mereka bereksperimen. Dan ternyata, kalau daging dimasak pakai banyak bumbu pedas, lalu ditambahkan antiseptik alami seperti jahe, lengkuas, kunyit, lalu dimasak sampai airnya kering, daging itu akan awet dalam waktu yang lama. Terciptalah rendang yang jadi bekal wajib untuk para petualang.
What do we got here?
Beef stew cooked for 6 hours here. First bite.
This is Endo, bro. I'm excited. Oh, and the rice. Nice and spicy. Incredible, bro. What?
Okay, today I am trying Indonesian dish that is delicious. My husband already devoured his.
Yes, I did. It was
Okay,
delicious.
nasi padang. Was that it? Nasi padang from Sumatra originally. And it is delicious. They slow cook the beef for 6 hours with all these different spices and coconut and rice. Anyways, it's delicious. So, bon appetit. Definitely try this if you're in Indonesia.
Kata rendang berasal dari bahasa Minang marandang, yang berarti memasak santan hingga kering secara perlahan. Prosesnya, daging direbus dengan santan dan rempah dengan kuah yang banyak. Diaduk terus-menerus selama 4-8 jam. Kalau berhenti, santannya pecah dan gosong. Perlu tekad kuat dan otot tebal setebal dagunya Thanos untuk menyelesaikan proses ini, sob. Bukan untuk orang yang gak sabaran.
Guys, we're at a local warung in Seminyak and we've ordered beef rendang, vegetable fritters and beef rendang with a beer. So, let's give it a go. That for me, that's a 10-10. That is 10-10. Rendang is quite coconutty, it's like sweet with also flavour in it. That is so good. You can try one of these fritters. Oh my god. Also 10-10. That is unreal. Our beef rendang was 50k and our fritters were 30k. got, I think, 5 fritters.
Now, let's taste the beef rendang.
3, 2, 1. Oh wow, it's so homely.
It's pretty nice, isn't it?
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that's
there's a
really
lot.
good.
Each bite was rich and deeply comforting. Easily one of the best comfort foods out there.
Out of 10.
So beef rendang, genuinely a 9.5 out of 10.
At 9.5
Yeah,
out of
genuinely
10.
amazing.
That's quite amazing.
Rendang ini nggak cuma sebagai pendamping makan sop, namun juga berpengaruh pada budaya dan agama. Rendang disebut dalam kesusastraan Melayu klasik seperti Hikayat Amir Hamzah yang menunjukkan keberadaannya sejak abad ke-16. Beberapa ahli sejarah mengaitkan rendang dengan penyebaran agama Islam di Sumatera Barat oleh Syekh Burhanuddin pada abad ke-17.
And now we are officially in Siberut, but this is our first local meal. And this is one of the best sauces I've ever had. It is mixed with so many different spices and so flavorful. It tastes like a curry, and you're supposed to put the chicken with the rice and the sauce. You're supposed to eat it with your hands, like this. Right? Yeah. Give me a thumbs up. That is so delicious. It tastes just like curry. This is a fish curry, fried chicken with coconut shavings, cabbage salad, and some more spicy chicken. But I'm like loving this. This is the one.
The main thing that one comes to Indonesia for is the one and only rendang. Oh my god, immediately that is a very different texture profile to the place that we've just come from. The actual beef itself is still quite hard. I've noticed, I think the Indonesians like their beef pretty firm. There's genuinely nothing more comforting than that. That is absolutely delicious. There's another type of beef here that I want to try. This is just beef curry. This is not rendang. Rendang is obviously slow cooked, sometimes up to in excess of 8 hours at a time, until all the moisture is drawn out and that meat itself becomes more and more leathery, more and more flavoursome as it basically cooks itself in its own fats and flavours. This beef curry is a bit more standard, not cooked to the same degree. The beef though is still a little bit firm. It's so damn delicious.
Seiring waktu, daging yang tadinya daging kerbau diganti daging sapi, ayam, sampai buah nangka pun bisa dijadiin rendang. Saat ini juga bisa kita temukan 2 jenis rendang, yaitu rendang kering dengan warna kehitaman karena proses masak yang lama, dan ada juga rendang basah atau kalio dengan warna lebih pucat karena proses memasaknya lebih singkat. Proses waktu memasak itu yang membedakannya dari kekuatan rasa juga keawetannya sob. Beda sama kreator lainnya, abang-abang ini nyobain rendang di luar nagrek sob. Simak kata mereka.
Some of that first. Wow. It's meltingly tender. The meat is deliciously meltingly tender. And it is dry. It's very dry, maybe not what you'd expect. But there's so many spices on there. I couldn't tell you what's on there. It's just really punchy, really spicy. But then there's that coconut, and that's coconut with the spice. There's a little bit of garlic in there, but it's also quite sweet. A bit like that sort of coconut sugar that you can buy, and that with those spices. It's wonderful.
So we're just at Le Petit Bar on Gilly Tea. It's literally just by the seafront. You can see the pool horses. So it's just arrived. Got beef rendang curry, fried egg, rice, tempeh and tofu.
Do a taste test. Cheers.
Oh my god.
Lots of potato this time.
Warm. But it doesn't really need to be.
It's kind of like salad bar-y.
It's like a salad bar type place. Oh my god, it's so good. This is definitely the best beef rendang I've ever had. It literally just melts away. It is so yummy. Oh my god.
Nah, dari negara manakah rendang berasal? Sebagai pembuktian, Mimin nanya 3 AI terkemuka, Gemini, ChatGPT, dan Microsoft Copilot. Dan hasilnya, semua kompak menyebutkan rendang asli Minangkabau, Indonesia. Jadi, maaf ya para tetangga, sanes kirang sono, tapi fakta sejarah sudah membuktikan kan? Oke deh, udahan dulu video kali ini ya. Terima kasih udah mampir. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Oh iya, kalian juga bisa memfollow para content creators atau nonton video selengkapnya melalui kredit yang tercantum di video dan deskripsi ya. Ingat, periksa bawaannya sebelum pulang. Jangan sampai tumblernya ketinggalan ya. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Dadah!